Hello students, how are you all? So I hope you all are fine. Okay, so students, we are doing large numbers chapter. So today we will discuss successor and predecessor of the number. Now what is the meaning of successor and predecessor? So successor means next number. Okay, like if 6 is there, what will be its successor? 7, because next number is 7. Okay, so 7 is the successor of 6. So successor means next number. Okay, and predecessor means previous number. Means you can say, like you write in your lower classes, before. Okay, so if 10 is there, what will be its predecessor? 9. Okay, so let's start. So I am taking here one example. Write this successor of the number. This number is given. First of all, try to read this number. This is 1431. Okay, so write down 1431. Now we want to write its successor, because this is bigger number. If you are finding any problem, you can add 1, because you know how we get next number. We add 1 to each number. Okay, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So similarly you can add here 1. Okay, so when we add, what we get? 1432. But if you are getting your answer without adding, you can write it directly. If you can see that it is 1431, so next number will be 1432. So directly you can write your answer. But if you are finding any problem, you can add here. You can add 1 in rough work also. Okay, so this is successor. So I am taking one more example of same type. So this is 1009. So what will be its successor? 1010. But if you are facing any problem to find out this number, you can add it in rough work. If 1 is added to 9, it will become 10. So these are the examples of successor. Now next example I am taking based on predecessor. Okay, write the predecessor of the following numbers. So predecessor means previous number. And how we get previous number? By subtracting 1. Like 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So see, we are getting the previous numbers by subtracting 1. Okay, so first example I am taking. Read this number, 1752. We want to write its predecessor. So what we will do? We will subtract 1. So when we subtract 1, what we get? 1751. If you cannot subtract like this, you can subtract it in rough work. You can use rough work here. Okay, so but if without subtracting you are getting your number, then also you can write it directly, that it is 1752. So its previous number will be 1751. This is 52, so this is 51. Okay, so in any way you can do. So one more example I am taking, like 100. 100 is given, so its predecessor, you know the counting, it is 99. but I am repeating again that if you are finding any problem, you can subtract 1 from that number. I hope it is clear to all. And students, till date I think we have covered 15 days for writing tables of 14, 15 and 16. I hope daily you have written these tables. Okay. Now students, this whole week I am giving you to revise your 6 tables. Okay, which we are writing for last 1 month. Listen me carefully. Okay, so now it means there are 6 tables. There are 6 tables: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, now for this whole week you will write these 6 tables one time daily. Okay, so then after that on next Monday we will start next 3 tables. Okay students, thank you.